in this video, we're going to take a look at Instant Covers Pro Cover Creator. So first thing you're going to see is your dashboard here. So I'm going to click here to log in. And I'm going to take you through this step by step. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to create your own covers instantly with this tool. It's pretty incredible. So the first thing you'll see is there are tons and tons and tons of different types of covers. So you'll see we've got everything from discs, CDs, DVDs, iMac covers, iPad, even Kindle, all the way to just the standard hardcover books, magazines, even reports. Okay, so what I'll do is take you through a couple different types of covers to show you how you can do this and how easy it really can be. So let's start with the ring spiral binder. So first step, as I just did, is to select the type of cover that you want. Second step, which we're at now, which is to select your background. So just go ahead and take a look at the different backgrounds we've got provided. And you've got a few different options. First option, and easiest one, is to use your provided default ones here. Okay, so we've provided a number of different backgrounds for you that are pretty awesome. But if you have your own, you can also click upload your own, and you can do it that way as well. So there's also custom color configuration and web resources. Okay, so you can go and get other backgrounds from stock photography websites and things like that. But I like to just use the default ones because there's plenty of really good ones here, which makes it easier and faster. So I'm going to go ahead and select this one. I really like this one with the light coming through. So what you'll see here is on the right of the screen, there is a preview of what your image is going to look like. So right now you're going to use the selection tool to move this around. And you can see as I move it around, the preview changes. So I'm going to go ahead and move this to the upper left here because I really like that light to come shining through on the bottom right. And I'm going to put the title just around here. So this will focus the attention towards the title, which I think will look good. So once that's done, you're going to go ahead and hit select and continue. And that'll bring us to our next step. Okay, so just a quick recap. First thing we did was we selected our type of cover, and then we positioned the cropping tool where we wanted it on that background and selected that. So now our background is all set up on our cover, and what we need to do next is to insert text. You can see there's 5 options here at the top. First one is insert text. We've got insert images, upload images, background, and templates. So let's go ahead and select insert text, and you'll see this brought up a text box here. So I'm just going to type in my ebook title. Okay, so you just go ahead and put your title in there, and then you have different customization options here from color style. You can mess with the gradients tool, which can give you some cool effects. You've got text outline options, alignment, left, center, right, justified, font, and text effects. So I'm just going to go ahead and leave these default and just select a font that I like. We've got tons of fonts here, really cool ones. So let's just go ahead and find one that I like. I think I like either entrance or slide. Let's go with slide. Okay, so now we've selected our font, and I'm gonna set some text effects as well, just to spice it up a little bit. So let's go with the outline text effect. Okay, now hit submit. Give it a second or two to load, and there you go. And you can see that it's leaning over here onto the spine. So I'm gonna want to fix that, and you can do that very simply just by going here and selecting in the bottom right hand corner and making it a little bit smaller. You see that? So just dragged the bottom right hand corner, and you can resize it to whatever size you want. So I think, as I said, I want to position this with the light focused on it. So let's say we put it right about there, and let's make it a little bit bigger. There we go. Okay, cool. So we've got the title, we've got the background set, and we are moving forward with this. So there you have a few other options. At this point, you can insert images, and since this is going to be a, let's see, a bonus, we can add in free bonus. If this were a DVD set, we could add in the DVD video insignia. I think I'm going to select the free bonus one. Okay, so we'll just put that there, and you want to go ahead and drag that to where you want it. So I'm going to put this in the upper right hand corner, make it a little bit bigger, and there you go. Okay, now you've got other options as well. You can go back and mess with the background if you'd like. You can also change your template if, for example, you decided that you wanted to change that. And you can also upload your own images. So if you had a logo, for example, and you wanted the logo on your cover, you just go here and select upload images, and then you would upload that from your hard drive onto the cover itself. Okay. All right, so this is coming right along here. We're pretty much set to go. I'm just gonna hit finalize, and we'll go ahead and see the cover. Boom, and there you go. Just a few seconds and you've got your own cover. Okay, and you've got different exporting options. You can download it, you can download the 2D version, and then you can go back and edit it. But that's really how easy it is. It's incredibly simple. And I want to go ahead and show you how to create another cover with a different template, just so you can see really how simple it is. So this time, let's go ahead and try a paperback thick laying. Okay, and once again, we've got the background options. I'm going to choose this one. All right, that looks pretty good. So we'll just leave it there, hit select and continue. And there we have our cover. So as I did before, the steps are all the same. You're just going to insert text, my book title, and we'll go ahead and select that. Maybe change the color this time. Let's make it a, why don't we make it a yellow? Looks good. We'll do the font again. I really like that slide font, so let's just select that again. And for effects, let's choose reflect. Okay, and then I'll hit submit just like before. Just give it a couple seconds and boom, there it is. All right, and then go ahead and make it a little bit smaller. Let's put it right there, front and center. And then we'll go back up here. We will insert some images. This time, let's go ahead and select instant download. Okay, because this is going to be ebook download. So we'll just make that a little bit bigger. And we'll put that top right again, and then we'll hit finalize. And you'll see just in a couple seconds here that we've got our finished cover ready to go. Boom, just like that. So now if I were making this cover, I would go back in and fix this a little bit. Let's actually go ahead and do that so I can show you. So easy just to make edits. Move that over just like that. Let's finalize it again. And boom, there you go. It's really as easy as that. So you can do this for any e-cover that you'd like. And as I've shown you, we've got tons and tons of options of different types of covers. It's a pretty awesome tool, and enjoy.